Hey folks, Roberto here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're previewing our newest listing here in Verdana Village, Estero, Florida. This is 20412 Napa Loop. It's the Mystique floor plan, part of the Pulte line of homes that you're going to find here at Verdana Village. The Mystique is going to give you 3 bedrooms plus den, just under 2,100 square foot, and a 2-car garage. Let's run inside here and take a look. So as we come inside, directly to the right of the entry is your first guest bedroom with the bay windows, sliding doors for your closet, and then you have a coat closet right here, and we have the guest bathroom with the singular sink, the commode, and the combination tub and shower. And then directly across from that we have your laundry space. So you've got the built-in cabinets here with your utility sink. Directly across from that, your washer and dryer, some additional cabinetry, and then also a storage area where you have your air conditioning. Right across from the laundry, you have your garage. The epoxy floor is a nice touch, but you're also getting the golf cart here included with the sale. Now coming in past the garage to the left, this is going to be guest bedroom number 2. Again, the closet has the sliding doors as opposed to the bifold style. Now coming back towards the main hallway, we're going to come to the den. So it is a true den. You have the double glass doors. There's no closet, but there is a window for additional light. And that brings us to the great room area. So you have your kitchen, your living space, and then your exterior lanai, as well as your dining. But first we're going to focus a little bit here on the kitchen. So you have stainless appliances. One of the nice parts about Verdana Village is you get to utilize gas cooking, natural gas cooking here at your range. Beautiful backsplash, and this all overlooks your living space. And then off to the side is your dedicated dining area. You see the lanai, but we're going to save that for last. Right now we're going to focus on your owner's retreat. That is a king-size bed there for perspective, so nice sized room. And then your owner's bath. Here you have the shower option with the seat. Right across from that you have your dual sinks. This area here is an option that Pulte would have given you to put a tub as opposed to just a shower alone, or you can extend the shower all the way over. You've got a huge closet, your water closet, and then right across from us, that's your linen closet there. Now, last but not least on this home is the exterior living space. So you have the 90-degree sliders here, which is beautiful. It brings the outdoors in, so it pockets on each side. And that brings you out to your dining area on the lanai. And this does wrap around as well. So you have plenty of space out here on your lanai, and there's more than enough room to add a pool if you like. And having the lake right off the corner there is a very nice touch as well. All right, folks, so if you're interested in this home, you can contact us at all of the information that you see below for Pinnacle Property. This is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.